Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy!
This video will list 13 bug-out bag essentials to have packed ready at home, in your vehicle or at work. I will also include some final tips at the end to help you be prepared. A bug-out bag is a light, portable pack that contains essential items to help you and your family get through a minimum of 72 hours in case of an emergency, natural disaster or other survival situation. My first tip: make sure the bug-out bag you choose is neutral in colour, not bright, and has zippers and pouches to help you keep things organised. And choose a pack that's lightweight and fits your body size so as not to slow you down. Remember, you may not get any warning before you need to evacuate, so have your bug-out bag prepared and stored in a place that's easy to get to so that you can grab it quickly if needed. Oh, and be sure to customise and store a bag for every member of your family, adding only the items they will need to carry. So here's my list of 13 bug-out bag essentials to help you get started. Number 1. Air filtration mask. This is needed if a disaster pollutes the air, like a fire or explosion. We need clean air to breathe and will not survive without air for more than 3 minutes. An air filtration mask can also help during a pandemic. Number 2. A form of shelter or cover. A tarp will ensure you have protection from the weather. Waterproof, lightweight tents are great too and keep in the heat. Some also come with a space blanket or lightweight waterproof sleeping bag. Number 3. Survivor water filter. We can only live without water for 3 days, so add a portable water filtration system that allows you to turn water from, say, a river into drinkable water, and pack a solid reusable water bottle to drink from too. Number 4. Food. Pack lightweight, non-perishable foods that are high in calories, like protein bars, nuts, beans and seeds, so you can ration them if needed. If you live near lakes or rivers, a tiny fishing kit would be really handy as well. Number 5. Spare clothing. Clothing can make the difference between life and death, so pack lightweight clothes and include thick gloves, as they will keep your hands warm and clean if you need to gather wood or handle things like broken glass or dirty debris. Remember to save space and only pack clothes for your climate. For example, if the weather in your area is always warm and dry, with no frequent storms, you could get away with just packing spare undergarments. Number 6. Waterproof gear. If you live in an area that can be wet and cold, pack lightweight rain, wind and waterproof gear and a warm hat or beanie. Protect yourself from the sun too, and include sunglasses and a lightweight cap or hat in your pack. Number 7. Fire starter and light. Add a fire starter and flashlight or headlamp, ideally LED. Basic waterproof matches or survival firelighters are a must for helping to attract rescuers' attention, keeping warm and cooking if needed. Add a solid, compact flashlight or headlamp and remember to include spare batteries. Number 8. First aid kit. Include a first aid kit with medical tape and bandages, as you'll need to be able to treat minor wounds and injuries. Include antibacterial solutions or wipes too, as these can quickly disinfect any wounds, as bacteria can be your worst enemy in a survival situation. Also include over-the-counter painkillers, sunscreen, creams and gels with antibiotics, as these will help prevent infections. A pack of medical gloves will also come in handy, as they'll allow you to care for your wounds without contaminating or infecting them. Number 9. Map and compass. You may not have electronic equipment or means to communicate, so it's essential to include a compass and detailed map of your area and adjacent areas so that you can stay on track and easily navigate your surroundings. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Learn how to use all of these items beforehand. Don't wait for a crisis. Know what to do before anything happens. Number 10. Multi-tools. Use your space wisely and include a multi-purpose tool with a knife and a compact, lightweight, mini-sized shovel and axe combo. You can use the knife to cut things open, build a shelter and prepare and cook food. A shovel can be a lifesaver too if you need to protect yourself, dig a hole or make a fire pit. And an axe is helpful in numerous situations, including sourcing firewood. Number 11, duct tape. Duct tape is waterproof and durable and can be helpful in case you need to make emergency repairs on your shelter, bug out bag or clothing. Number 12, portable charger. If you have a flashlight, radio or smartphone that requires charging, add a solar-powered portable charger. Number 13, signalling devices. A signalling mirror and whistle can be essential as they can help signal your presence to rescuers. Blowing a whistle takes way less energy than having to shout and yell out too, and the sound carries further. So here's my final tips. Oh, before I share them with you, if you'd like to get started, I've put some links showing examples of all of these items in the description for you. And if this video's been helpful, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. My final tip, although not necessary for survival, it's a good idea to make copies of all of your important documents, from your IDs and passport to contracts of ownership like your house, vehicles and loan agreements. You can save them on a USB and online too. And be sure to discuss and make a plan together with your family to keep everyone safe. Very few people make emergency preparedness plans and discuss them with their loved ones. Establish a location to meet should anything happen and do your best to memorize phone numbers, as you may not be able to access your phone. Think like a yo-yo survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. And share this video with your family and friends too, so that they can be smart and be ready for a natural disaster or other emergency survival situation. Stay safe!